Have you ever wondered why Konpeito, a traditional Japanese candy, is shaped like stars? Today we're diving deep into its fascinating history and the intricate process behind these sweet treats. Konpeito was first brought to Japan in 1569 by a Portuguese missionary, Luis Frois. It became a precious gift given to Nobunaga, the ruler of Japan at that time. The name Konpeito comes from the Portuguese word confeitos, meaning candy. This vibrant treat is primarily made from sugar and retains its unique star shape through an intricate process. Konpeito's star-like shape is achieved by a delicate process involving multiple layers of sugar. Each layer adds to the candy's characteristic spiky appearance, creating a crunchy and crumbly texture. The production method for Konpeito is both intricate and time-consuming. Each candy starts as a tiny seed around which layers of sugar are carefully applied, forming the star shape. Konpeito has been enjoyed for centuries and comes in various flavors. Today, it is still produced using traditional techniques passed down through generations, preserving its historical significance. The unique combination of sugar layers and the star shape makes Konpeito a delightful treat. Its history is deeply intertwined with Japanese culture, making it more than just candy. So there you have it. From its Portuguese origins to its traditional production methods, Konpeito is a fascinating blend of history and craftsmanship. What surprised you most about these star candies? Let me know in the comments.